comfy gel seat extends across the seat. It's not only in the front portion for the primary drivers. And the rear suspension is extremely smooth. Again, I encourage all of you to come and test drive this vehicle afterwards so that you can see for yourself. Yes.
There are people who are waiting to see the battery now.
Correct. And that's exactly why we decided to bring these things in-house, because only if we have bring these in-house and really engineer it for the best value, then we are able to give the best value to the customer. So battery in-house, all the most expensive things, battery, motor controller, chassis, which together will constitute at least 60% of the cost of the vehicle. All of these we have very tight control over so that we can give the best value to the customer. Yeah. I think there may be some challenges when we go to a full swapping model. So there will be regulatory challenges if, for example, we enable new battery to be placed in the vehicle from a charging company to charge it anywhere they want. In the future, as and when regulation allows, we would like to enable customers to also swap the battery, so that we have swapping stations available in the future. Lunch is ready. So all of you are welcome to grab lunch. Yes. I'm standing at the way of starting.
Picture ba. Okay, ready, sir? Okay, ready? Camera. Okay, ready, sir? Okay, ready? Camera. One.
Launch of new vehicle.
Hi, I'm Start Mandla. Hi, my name is Anirudh. I'm the CEO of Boom Motors. We are here today at the Boom Motors launch event. We just launched our company and our vehicle. About Boom Motors, we have been working for the last 2 years tirelessly to bring this vehicle to you. We are based out of Coimbatore. We have a team of about 150, 160 people there. The bike is called the Corbett 14. There's a variant called Corbett 14 EX. This bike is probably the best value bike you'll find in India, also the strongest, toughest bike that you'll see. In the bike, we are giving an unbelievable 7-year warranty on the chassis, 5-year warranty on the battery. The bike starting price is around 86,999 rupees, and with the EMI it will come to around 1,699 rupees per month. We are also, with the bike, we have a swappable battery, so the battery can be removed from the vehicle. You can charge it anywhere in any 5 amp socket. You're not restricted to any charging infrastructure anywhere. So this is a major benefit to customers that we want to give. Also, to give them full peace of mind, we have 24,000 service touchpoints across the country, so anywhere they are, they can get their vehicle serviced. And apart from that, even our dealerships will do the servicing. So end to end, we want to make this experience very smooth for the customers, give them a very great value bike at a very good EMI, give them the convenience of swappable batteries so that they don't have to wait for charging infrastructure to come up everywhere, and give them complete peace of mind with service infrastructure across the country. So this is the overall message that we wanted to launch today at a high level.
Regarding the booking of the vehicle.
So the booking of the vehicle is now open for retail. So for retail bookings, it's a 499 rupees deposit in order to book a bike. With the 499 rupees deposit, customers will be able to avail the early bird discount. It's a 3,000 rupees discount on the Corbett 14 and 5,000 rupees discount on the Corbett 14 EX. Apart from that, they get a position in the queue so that they are one of the first people to receive the bikes once we start the deliveries. So our B2B deliveries are already started. The retail deliveries are going to start from January.
What is the main difference between your bike and other EV bikes?
Sir, fundamentally the whole bike is very different. Like, this bike is unlike any other. You may not have even seen any bike like this in the country so far. It's completely different architecture. It is made for EV optimization. So because of this, the number of parts on our bike is much less than other bikes. We are able to give unbeatable durability and value to the end customers. So the first portion of it is that. Second portion of it, the driving comfort is unbeatable again. Like I said, we have really focused on the ergonomics of the bike, the seat comfort and so on. So in that sense also, it's very different from other vehicles. It uses a leading arm suspension, 4-point adjustable suspension, very smooth performance, ride quality and so on. And apart from that, the very important thing that I mentioned is also the swappable battery. So today, a lot of the vehicles require charging infrastructure to come up. If you live in an apartment, you have to take your vehicle up with you to the apartment in order to charge it. But now with our vehicle, because it's a removable battery, you can just carry it with you anywhere. The charger is portable, you can plug it into any socket. So you have billions of sockets available across the country, more than a billion, because any socket anywhere, even in this room that we are in, you may find 20 such sockets that you can plug in your charger into. So we are freeing the people of the charging constraint, and so that's another major difference of our vehicle.